Morning guys, today is Wednesday, April 9, araw ng Kagitingan. May buntag sa inyong tanan. Mata na mo, mag-jogging ta. Woo! Good morning guys. Today is April 12, Saturday, 5:20 in the morning. Jogging na ta guys. Let's go. Woo! Guys, today is April 12, Saturday. I'm here at Gaslamp, just passing by. Mayong buntag. Now it's 5:50 in the morning. Let's go jogging. Guys. Morning. Jogging na ta guys. Today is Sunday, April 13. Today is Sunday, April 13. May buntag kaninyong tanan. Mag-jogging na ta. Tanan ako diri doon sa may Gaslamp guys. Morning guys, malapit jogging guys. 6.5k. Maglakad na ta for a kilometer. So I can do like my fitness. Good morning. Bye. Good morning guys. Today is April 16, Wednesday. Tatanong mo diya guys, mag-jogging na ta. Come on. Good morning guys. Today is April 16, Wednesday. Matanong mo diya guys, mag-jogging na ta. Just passing by Gaslamp. Morning guys. Now, sunrise na guys. Matanong mo guys, jogging na ta. Let's go guys. Guys, after jogging of 6.8 kilometers, walking na po guys para relax itong body. Morning guys. Morning guys. Today is Saturday, April 19. Sana mo dyan, mag-jogging na ta. Nago diri sa Gaslamp. Lagi na guys. Guys, jogging na ta. Guys, malang jogging guys, 7k. I'm walking up to stress out attacks. So walking sana guys.